Good morning, everyone. I am Abhishek Suman. I am the student of BSc IT second year, batch 1. And today I am present here on board presentation on C++. Before I start, first of all, thanks to Dr. Amit Shukla sir for giving me this opportunity. Today my topic is implicit and explicit type conversion. Before I start implicit and explicit type conversion, we know that what is data type conversion. Type conversion is a conversion in which changing one data type into another data type in a program is called a type conversion. Type conversion is of two types: implicit and explicit type conversion. First of all, I start what is implicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion is done automatically by the compiler. Happens when a smaller data type is converted into a larger data types. Safe conversion, no data loss. Here you can see the example of implicit data types. I will take integer a is equal to 5. Here int is a data type and a is a variable name, and I assign 5. 5 is a integer type. 5 is integer type in store in a, and I change here float b is equal to a. This means it directly change integer type into float data types. It's called implicit type conversion. And second one is explicit type conversion. Explicit type conversion, typecasting, done manually by the program, used when converting large data type into a smaller data type. In this, possible data can be lost. And the syntax of explicit data types is syntax type. Here you can write which type of data you want to change it, type and value. Example, here is the explicit type conversion. I will take float x is equal to 5.75, and float is a data type, x variable. In this, I change int y is equal to int x. Here you can see the type. I will take the integer type, so I write here int x. So this change float into integer data types. Here I can see you the example with live code. Here you can see that I will make a simple program of explicit and implicit, how we can change. Here you can see that I take a float num is equal to something. In this int, I will change float into integer data types. Here is a variable. In this, it automatically float data types change into integer data types. This is called implicit conversion. And int f, I will take a f variable. In this integer 12, float explicit it's a variable, and this change float f. Here you can see that, and I see out implicit explicit. Here is, I can show you. Here you can see the result of implicit 10, explicit 12. And thank you from my side.